being on trauma, you're going to interact with people on what sometimes is one of the worst days of their life. So I'm honored to be able to be a part of helping individuals when they're going through those difficult times. Being able to be a part of the trauma service here at Bryan has been very, very rewarding. One case in particular was a young man who was in a horrible high-speed car accident at highway speed, and he had multiple orthopedic injuries and some severe damage to his lower extremity, which at the time, the trauma surgeon thought may need to be amputated, but over the course of multiple surgeries, we were able to save his leg. And him and his young family, I know, are doing very well. It's cases like that really make me appreciative of the opportunity to be able to do this for patients. The majority of my practice is kind of focused on trauma and reconstruction. I played hockey in college, injured my ankle while playing hockey, and saw a podiatrist, and while under his care, I got to know him and got to get a feel for what his practice was like. And I think, developed the initial feeling that maybe this is a good fit for me, clear back when I was an undergrad student. Obviously, I did my due diligence and investigated all the schools. It's common knowledge that Des Moines University has a high board pass rate first time, and that the residency match at DMU is always better than anywhere else. So it was obvious to me after visiting and doing my research that Des Moines University held its students to a higher academic standard. When I came to Lincoln, there was only one other provider within a large area performing ankle replacement surgery. So that was something I was able to help provide patients. And now we have patients come from as far as Colorado, Kansas, even South Dakota to see treatment in our clinic, which is really nice to be able to serve some of the underserved, more rural areas too. By getting engaged, I was able to establish the first department of podiatry at Bryan Health and was the first chair of that department. And since that time, podiatry has really stepped into a leadership role in the healthcare system here in Lincoln too. So I think it's important for all of us to be involved in the next generation of podiatrists who are going to come after us. We do have medical students rotate through with us and podiatry students from Des Moines University too. It's very fulfilling and gratifying to help teach and to be a part of the mentoring process now on the other side of things as from when I was a student. I think I owe a lot of the success that I've had to the mentors and clinicians who I worked with over the years at DMU and beyond. And so I do think it's important to pay that forward